Okay, I'm going to talk about some of the sounds that come at the end of German words. The first sound is the schwa sound. We have that sound in English as well. The schwa sound is as in the word about, almost a throwaway sound. It's something that occurs in unaccented syllables only. We can use a lot of different letters to spell that sound. In German, they almost always spell it with the letter E at the end of the word. That's why you may have noticed a lot of these German words have E at the end. So I'll just go over these words quickly. The first one was Vorlage. Then we had Schnecke, Schadenfreude, Realschule, Springerla or Springerla. Springerla, I don't think I defined that for you. That's a German cookie, a fancy one, where they roll a mold over the top of the cookie dough before they bake it. Then we had Pickelhaube. Now, we have a couple of words here. I highlighted this in green because this one has a silent E. The E is there, we just don't say it. So this word must have had a very interesting history. It's definitely a German word for a German dance, but the Germans called it a Scottish dance. And I'm pretty sure if they spelled it with the E at the end that they would have said Schottische. But I can't find that pronunciation anywhere online. I'm just assuming that that is correct. It's an English word now. I've danced the Schottisch many times when I was growing up. It was one of the favorite dances of kids at a wedding. Whenever the band would announce it's time for a Schottisch, all the kids would scramble onto the floor because we all knew how to do it. But we always pronounced it Schottisch. I looked it up in the Merriam-Webster dictionary. That's the official one. And it has one and only one pronunciation. That is Schottisch. So you won't get any clues that that E is there. You're going to have to deal with it. You're going to have to remember it. It's a trap. Don't get fooled. The next word also has, it should be pronounced Pitchblende in German, but we pronounce it Pitchblende. So don't get fooled by that trap either. Pitchblende is a ore that's has a mixture of pitch black material blended with brown material. It's radioactive and it's used to produce uranium. Pitchblende. The next sound you'll hear at the end of a lot of words is the O sound, like in pretzel. In English, we are going to spell that L-E, but in German, it's spelled E-L. Pretzel, streusel, pumpernickel, strudel or strudel, graupel. I don't think I'd define graupel for you either. Graupel is a type of snow that's in the shape of a little styrofoam ball. This happens when water freezes to a snow crystal. It does, instead of forming ice, it just forms more snow. So it's not like hail, which is a solid ball of ice. This is a very light and fluffy ball of snow called graupel. Then there was dreidel, and there was vadel, another snow term, or skiing term. That takes care of these words. I'm going to conclude with more talk about spelling traps.